everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Halubadi. So this video will be the introduction of STPM Biology briefing session. So this video is very suitable for the candidate that just finished their SPM examination and wish to continue their study in STPM, take science stream, and also take biology subject. Okay, so this video I will explaining about the syllabus briefing, examination format, and also some tips that you need to learn during the STPM biology. Okay, so first of all, let us talk about me first. So I am Li Zixuan and my nickname is Hello Buddy. So I am now the current UTM degree student studying industrial biology lah. So I am the senior STPM 2020 with CGPA 3.25. So for your guys' information, starting STPM 2026, which the batch, the students that will enter STPM starting 2025 in July of 2025, something like that. So if you are the students that you will enter the STPM in 2025 July, you were using the new syllabus of STPM. So meaning that the syllabus that your senior take STPM 2025 or even earlier, the syllabus is already outdated lah. They will not use the syllabus again. You will use the totally new syllabus starting STPM 2026. So maybe you are the first batch or you are the second batch. Okay. So normally in STPM, you are not getting like many subjects like SPM. Like SPM science stream student normally will take 9 subjects. Like Mandarin, normally you will take 10 subjects, right? Add on Mandarin, bahasa Cina. So in maybe Malay, you only take 9 subjects lah, and maybe some of you also take 9 subjects only for science stream student. So but in STPM, you don't need to take 9 subjects, 10 subjects, only 4 subjects. You only take 4 subjects only, which are pengajaran alam, chemistry, math, and also biology lah. And another one, what is one of the subject, but it is not including in STPM examination. It is a unique examination. They will have a separate certification, which is not including, will not calculating in your STPM one. They will have a separate examination lah. Later you will learn about that. Okay, so for this video, of course, I already mentioned, I will only focus on biology subject. So for these 3 subjects, I will not touch it lah for this video. Okay, so for the syllabus biology, so in this video, I only talk about overview only. I will not talk about in detail. So meaning that what I'm learning in the detailed topic that you will learn in each semester, I will not touch it. I will only talk brief about the syllabus only. So if you are new to STPM, meaning that you are not know about all the STPM. So for your information, STPM consists of 3 semesters. Unlike SPM 2 years, right? And then the examination of SPM is totally directly. That you learn about the 2 years knowledge and directly exam out all the knowledge that you learn in 2 years, Form 4 and Form 5. But in STPM, the period is 1.5 years. 1.5 years. But you are not to take the exam directly after you learn all the things. They will have the 3 semesters. They will separate into 3 semesters. Meaning that after 6 months, you will take the 1 exam. Like semester 1, meaning that when you go starting in semester 1, after 6 months, you will have a view examination. And this view examination only covers semester 1 topic only. And then when you enter semester 2, semester 1 topic will not be covered anymore lah. You will cover on semester 2 only. Same goes to semester 3. So normally in average, not including holiday, your each semester is about 6 months. So at all STPM life is 1.5 years. Okay. So when we got briefing, so this is the STPM Biology syllabus nowadays, new syllabus. So altogether, on 3 semesters, there are 18 chapters that you need to learn. 18 chapters. So, as I mentioned, we got divide into 3 semesters, and each semester have their theme, tema dia. So for semester 1, you will learn about molecule of life and metabolism. Semester 2, you will learn about physiology, and semester 3, you will learn about biodiversity, ecology, and also genetics. Okay, so let us see what you will learn in each semester. So this one is semester 1. So in semester 1, there are 7 chapters you need to learn. So you can see here, chapter 1, chapter 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you see this chapter, you can see that normally all the you see the name of the chapter, all the topic that you already learned SPM, you can see. Like molecule of life, maybe you already imagine it. SPM got learn. Genetic also SPM got learn. Cell organelle also got learn. I need to focus on point out that STPM, you will have to use the SPM knowledge. Not say that after you go to STPM or SPM knowledge, you can totally give up, totally forget all. No. Because SPM just a prior knowledge, pre-knowledge that you enter to STPM. Of course, you need to take biology lah. If you not take biology, you take others course, because you can totally forget out what you learned in STPM biology. But if you want to take STPM biology, you should revise again what you learned in STPM biology. Because in semester 1, I can say that 90% of the content is revised back to the STPM biology. So normally in the first new topic as well in semester 1, all of them are about the SPM knowledge. Okay, next we go to semester 2, which is physiology. So normally physiology semester 2, there are also 7 chapters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 chapters as well. So you see the topic as well, you can see that except the chapter 14, chapter 8 until chapter 13, I think all of you are very familiar with it. Because all of these topics in SPM also got learned. You also got learned all these topics. But so meaning that you also need to revise back what you learned in SPM lah. Not say that SPM forget. But later you go to STPM, you also need to learn. And also in STPM, more deeper. In STPM, normally your school teacher will not talk about SPM anymore lah. They will talk about that you never learn in STPM. But if you want to touch about the deeper knowledge, you should have a knowledge in SPM first. If the SPM knowledge you also already forget, not know, then yeah, if you want to go to deeper knowledge, that is very difficult for you lah. Okay, next is semester 3. So semester 3 only 4 chapters. Yeah, you see very less. But I need to say that in semester 3, each chapter the topic is very long. That's why that you look very less compared to Sem 1 and Sem 2. Sem 1 and Sem 2 got 7 chapters, and Sem 3 only 4 chapters. Look like very relaxed, right? Only 4 chapters only. But each chapter will have very long. So in this video, I will only touch the brief only. I just touch like that. So if you want to see what you will learn in very detail in each semester, in each chapter, please refer to my channel and refer to the video Sem 1, Sem 2, and Sem 3. So you can go to my channel to search the Sem 1, Sem 2, Sem 3 video for the detailed explanation. Okay, this one is just a guideline for you guys. So the old syllabus, STPM 2013 until 2025. This is the syllabus that your senior get, that your senior take now. Which take now. So this is the syllabus. So I can say that in biology, for biology subject only, biology subject only. Other subject, I don't know. I don't want to say and touch much because other subject I not do a research very well. But for biology, I can say that 99% of this content are same from the old syllabus. 99%. I'll call almost 99%. 99%. Meaning that the notes, the exam paper, or the exercise from your senior actually still can do for your batch. Because all the format, the syllabus, 99% are same. Just that you guys syllabus got add on something in each detail topic lah. I not mention here, but in each chapter they have a slightly different lah. So the main difference I can say that sem 1, sem 2 not much different. The bigger difference is sem 3. So you see this old syllabus, actually sem 3 got 6 chapter. But now in your syllabus, they already cut to 4 chapters only. So what are cut? So actually, this chapter, chapter 18, gene technology, the old syllabus, actually is already combined with chapter 17. They combined to it. So that's why that go new 4 chapter. And biotechnology, this chapter they eliminated. MPM eliminate, remove this chapter. And also, if you go to this semester one, you refer to the semester one. A level also got learn about mitotic cell cycle, and repeat again, SPM not learn it. And others topic almost same. So meaning that in STPM, someone say that your STPM ni no past year like that only, and then no exercise, lack of exercise. The material is very less. So if you want to add on the material, actually you can go to matric. You can, if you have a friend that take matriculation biology, you can ask from them. The notes and also exercise or past year paper from them. A level past year paper, matriculation past year paper, all of that can use. You can use that paper as the exercise to improve for improvement one. So not necessarily say that you go to STPM, A level and matric cannot use. No, not necessarily. You still can use that these two pathway, two different exam as your revision, I can say. Okay, now we go to exam format. Okay, so in exam format in STPM is totally not same in SPM. I already mentioned STPM consists of 3 semesters, and after 1 semester you will have real exam. So meaning that in STPM you need to take 3 exams: Sem 1, Sem 2, and Sem 3 after 6 months. After 6 months, like Sem 1, if let's say normally nowadays you will enter Sem 1 July, normally July, but if they want to change to before COVID, June, normally June or July you will already enter July lah. July you will enter the Sem 1, June or July like that lah. Okay, but if let's say you enter Sem 1 in July, so meaning that you will take Sem 1 examination on January, next year January, like 2025 July you enter Sem 1, 2026 January you will take Sem 1 examination. So only 6 months like that lah. You can prefer 2026 Sem 1 you already take Sem 1 examination. So this is very fast. I can say very fast. 6 months actually is very fast. So in Sem 1 you need to learn all the 7 chapters that I mentioned before. So in each semester they have the real examination, and this is the marks, the percentage that you need to know. So in real examination, this is not a exam paper marks, This is a weightage. So each semester have their weightage. So what you get in the marks in the Sem 1, they will divide into 26.67%. So this purpose is to make sure that every student, if you want to get A in STPM Biology, you should score all 3 semesters. You cannot say that, Sem 1 I score very high, and then Sem 2 I don't. Sem 2 I also score very high, but Sem 3 I don't like it. I don't want to score lah. I pass only okay. If you do like that, yeah, still overall result you still can pass. You still can maybe get B, but you cannot get A. Because all the weightage for each semester are same. They already divide average. Not like inequally. Very fair one. So if you want to get A, you should focus all semester. If you only focus Sem 1, Sem 2 only, Sem 3 you honeymoon, or you maybe one of the Sem you honeymoon, then you cannot get A. Of course you cannot get A. So in STPM, written exam is 80%. So 80% is your written exam. Okay, so how about another 20%? Okay, so another 20% is your experiment coursework. In Bahasa Melayu, we say KK lah, kerja khusus. So in STPM, they will have a KK, kerja khusus coursework. But in new syllabus nowadays, not all subjects have KK already. Some subjects, especially the social science, like if not mistaken, PM, perniagaan, and also economy, they already eliminate the coursework. So that guys, if the person that take social science, PM ke, ekonomi atau pengajar perniagaan, PP, that guys, there are no expert, there are no coursework, meaning they are totally reliant on examination. So I can say they are not very unlucky lah, because they are totally reliant on the examination. Why I say like that? Because if this experiment is used school teacher give you marks. This experiment is school teacher give you marks one. Compared to the real examination, this real examination is the outside marker. The marker will not know you. They were very strict based on the answer scheme to marking you. So another word I can say that this 20% is bonus to you lah. If you do very well, do the experiment very well, listen to your teacher instruction, becoming a good person in the school also as well. If you make your school teacher angry and then you are the problematic student in the school, always go to guru discipline or until when you guru a problem, until the penolong kanak atau your guru besar pengetua pun dah tahu you, then of course your experiment, your coursework marks will be very low lah, I can say. But if you do very well, become a good person while doing the experiment and then do the report very well, of course, this 20% normally school teacher will get you at least 18 or 19 something, 18 point something, at least 18%. So normally 18% is in your hand, you can say that. So this is the luckily they still not eliminate the experiment, because before the MPN announced the new syllabus, they got news say that all the subject in STPM they need to remove all the coursework. But luckily no, only certain subject, especially social science subject, all science subject still remain experiment. But another one is mathematics. Mathematics they already eliminate coursework. So mathematics will be based on the examination only lah, no coursework already. So yeah. Okay, for biology, so another 20% is experiment lah. So experiment, this one is we call as paper 4 lah. Paper 4. So the experiment will be conducting along 3 semesters. So each semester will have different experiment that you need to do during the school lah. During the schedule that your school teacher will be arranged to do lah. So in every time of the experiment, particular day, you must come lah. You must come lah. If you not come, of course, the marks will be deducted lah. Okay, another one is for the individual candidate. This one is for school candidate only. The school candidate, the Form 6 student. If for the individual candidate, meaning that this one normally is maybe you want to repeat, or maybe you don't want to go to school, you want to learn yourself. Of course you can. But for individual candidate, of course you cannot do experiment lah, because you not go to school, right? So individual candidate, you need to take another exam lah, which is called as paper 5 to replace this paper 4. To replace this 20%. So actually this is a practical written exam. So the examination content normally is about the experiment, right? All the question about the experiment. But in this paper, I can say that it is very rare of the information, because very less people take this kind of exam. Even though your school teacher also not know what will coming out, only know coming out is about the experiment only lah. But what kind of question will be coming out, or nobody knows. Only the person marker, the marker for this paper know, and also the people that took this exam know. Even me, I also don't know. If you want to me answering technique of the past year paper, even past year paper also know. No past year paper for this. The paper cannot be take out one. So nobody knows. So yeah, so for the individual candidate, you are very, I can say that very challenging for you lah, for this paper 5. So you need to try yourself to find the teacher or the marker or the senior or the person that have take this individual exam. You don't have to ask me, I don't know, because I'm the school candidate, Form 6 candidate, I take this paper 4. So I never take this about this, I also not know about this. Okay, so as I mentioned, individual candidate. So, okay, that one is the marking weightage. So all together, you see, written exam 80%, and experiment 20%. So all together 100% lah. So this 100% will be all summed up together as a final result of your grade in biology. Okay, now we go to exam format, which is focus in this part. So each sem, what are the exam format that you need to learn? Like in SPM, you also know you got paper 1, paper 2, and paper 1 is 40 objective question. Paper 2, you have structure and essay question. So how about STPM? So in STPM Biology, this is the format. So they are containing 3 sections. So section A will be 20 objective question. So each question will have 20 marks. So each question 1 mark, sorry. Each question 1 mark, so altogether we will have 20 marks for section A. And section B will be the 2 structure question. So this is a short structure question. So each question will have 7 marks. So altogether have 40 marks. So this structure question, of course, you have A, B, C, D lah. They will normally in section B structure question, they will come out in 1 diagram, or either graph or diagram or labeling diagram, or that, and then got A, B, C, D lah. And then so you need to answer it lah. Each question 7 marks, and also you need to answer all the questions. And section C will be essay question, 2 essay question, and you need to answer all. So each essay containing 13 marks. So all sum up, you will have 26 marks. So normally in essay question, they will have normally A, B, C lah. So like 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24 lah. The question 23 and 24 will be the essay question, and normally it's 23A, B, and 24A, B. Normally is have 2 sub question lah. And for your information, in STPM essay are directly word only. They directly give you word only. Look like SPM. In SPM essay, you will see, refer to SPM essay, they will have a very long statement. Either long statement, or they will give you a photo. They will give you a figure. Based on that figure, answer the question. They will give a figure for you for SPM. But in STPM, no figure for you in essay question. They directly ask you, like in one of the example, maybe they want to ask you to explain the differentiate between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. 10 marks. Directly, 10 marks. They will, maybe SPM will directly like this. Only one sentence like that. Differentiate between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Maybe they give you 10 marks directly. Only this sentence, and then you need to answer. So in section C, essay question, no figure and no statement. They will not giving you statement. So normally, although they give you the statement, but the statement is very short. Not like in SPM, they will give you a very long statement, and then you need to read carefully the statement and then answer based on that statement. No. In section C, STPM, the statement give you, but very short. But most of the time, they will not give you any statement directly, very straight away question. So you need to answer all the questions. So all together, you will have 60 marks. So in all the semester, along 3 semesters, the exam format are same. So all together, you will have 60 marks. Meaning that paper Sem 1, Sem 2, Sem 3, all of them are 60 marks. 60 marks only. Not 100. And this 60 marks, later they will divide into 26.67% for each semester. So I can say that the challenging will be the content, the examination question is very less. You read many. You will refer to the syllabus. You read very many knowledge. But the exam come out very less. Only this. Very less. I can say it's very less, especially essay. Only very less. If only 2 essay question, meaning only 2 chapters. Normally only 2 chapters. Only 2 chapters. You read 7 chapters, but only 2 chapters come out. And which chapter you don't know. So, and also you don't have the chance to choose. In old syllabus format, old syllabus 1, they still have a chance. My time, section C got 3 essay questions. 3 choose 2. 3 choose 2. But for now, you don't have the chance to choose. Meaning that you know you can die. You don't know, mati. You will die. You know you score. You don't know you die. I can say like that. So it is more challenging lah. You want to get A in this format compared to previous one. Because previous one, not say the previous one more easily, but for previous one is that your section C, as long as you can choose. The question that you don't know, you not confident, you can ignore it. But for now, you cannot ignore it. You all need to answer all. And you have a no choice. Okay, so this is the point I need to tell you. And then the time given for your examination is 1.5 hour, meaning that 90 minutes, 1.5 hour. So yeah, 90 minutes only. So it is very bad. Not like in your SPM, 2 hour and 30 minutes. No. In SPM, right, your paper 2 is 2 hour and 30 minutes, right? Even your paper 1, 40 objective question, you also have 1 hour 15 minutes, right? But in STPM, you only given 90 minutes to answer all these questions. So I can say the time is actually very bad. Only cukup, very enough, only enough only. Even though if you are not a very confident student, normally you also don't have a time to answer all the questions. So yeah, so this is one of the challenging in STPM lah. The time to answer the question is very limited. Okay. Okay, so about the coursework, as I mentioned about, so you need to do the experiment along 3 semesters. So altogether, you will have 15 experiments, and then each semester will have the 5 experiments. So total mark will be 225, and then you will divide into 20% lah. So this one you don't need to know. You also will not know the marks. This mark all is your school teacher will give you. So as I repeat again, if you are doing very well, you become a good student, not becoming a problematic student, then you will have get A lah. You get A1. Unless you do make a school teacher very angry for you lah. Okay, so this is the experiment that you guys will do. So all the title of the experiment lah. So if you want to ask me, is it same from the old format? I cannot volunteer because the new batch, and also even though if even though the new batch is already start but already graduate, so I also not know the question, the manual, the procedure. I cannot see already unless I'm the teacher lah. Because I'm not a teacher also, so I cannot see the procedure and the manual of the experiment already lah anymore. So yeah, so this is the experiment that will be guided by your school teacher and be given by the MPM lah. So before the experiment, normally your school teacher will give you a manual. They will give you the manual, like all the title of the experiment and also the procedure to do this dissection. Maybe some of you guys, maybe lah, especially female girl, yeah, maybe smooth hati, baik hati lah, you kesian lah nak dissection. Ini dissection is using the mice lah, white mice, tikus putih. We will do the dissection from the white mice. But maybe lah, especially girl, they kesian lah, janganlah macam ni, or the people that got for the prayer sometimes. But you need to know, if you want to go to research study in biology field, especially biomedical science lah, biomedical science field, actually we use many white mice on the research. Like vaccine, we want to create a vaccine, want to discover a vaccine for initial until go to market. You need to do this first. You need to take an experiment on the white mice first, only white mice first. So that is why that you need to do dissection. So this is very, I can say that this is very meaningful one of the meaningful learning process. We will not say that dissection is very kejam. Janganlah macam ni, tak boleh. So you need to change your mind for the dissection. You need to know that dissection actually for the scientific purpose is to discover on the scientific research. So this is very nice chance for you guys, because as I know, in matriculation or A level, they don't have this chance. They have the chance for matric lah. I know in matriculation they have a chance, but not everyone have a chance to dissect one mice. In STPM, everyone will have a one mice for dissection. But in matriculation, if not mistaken, matriculation is in a group one. They were in a group, and one group maybe 5 or 6 people, and then dissect one mice. In matriculation, A level I don't know. I not know much about A level, but A level I think no dissection laboratory lah, practical session. So in STPM biology, you are very lucky. You have this chance, and maybe it's only the chance that you do the dissection of mice for learning. Because if you are entering degree, you are not have a chance like that. Even though you have a chance, especially biomedical science, even though you have a chance, but the chance is very low. Normally, it's the lecturer will do a manual for you only. You just see only. You will have a hands-on activity one. But this one, you have a hands-on. So you will see here there are 7, 8, 9, right? Dissection or mammalian, there is 3, but we normally only do once only lah. Meaning that the school teacher will combine all these 3 experiments become one. They will not do 3 times. You don't need to say that 3 times. So I need to do 3 times dissection. No, only once. So they will combine these 3 experiments into one. So in semester 2, actually you only enter lab 3 times only. For sem 1, you need to enter 5 times because each experiment are different. Unless your school teacher combine the experiment into one day lah. This is cerita lain, the different story. But according to normal, you need to enter lab 5 times. But for sem 2, you only enter lab 3 times only. So 7, 8, 9 will be combined into 1, and also 6 and 10. Okay, this one is 3. This one is another experiment, is 12 one. Experiment 12. Collection of the insect and plant specimen. You need to collect the insect and also the plant leaf to do a specimen. So yeah, this one is one of the challenges, especially insect lah. Because plant leaf is very easy. You can get any plant leaf anywhere, even though if you are in city. But for instead, it's very difficult. I know it is very challenging for the city person. And also some of you very afraid about insect, especially afraid about insect. Not ever you are guys or girls lah. Some of you very afraid. Sangat takut. Tengok je ada cacing tu, wah, terus lompat boleh jadi tu Olympian. Some of them is like that, but you need to change your mind lah, to try yourself to collect. So this experiment, normally your school teacher will do in a group. Normally will do in a group. Some of them will do individual, some of them will do in a group. Depend on the school teacher. But normally, the school teacher want to reduce your work because this one is very long. You need to collect a long 3 semester. And some of the school teacher, even though SEM 2, they already released. They already ask you to collect. Some of you lah, some of the school teacher. But normally, most of the school teacher will be released this in early of semester 3. Early of semester 3, they already released this. They will release to you, and then you need to collect it. Along the semester 3, they will give you a period, and then you need to collect it. If not mistaken, at that time I need to collect 10 insect and also 10 plant. And then this 10 insect, you need to have a different scientific order. Different one. You cannot say that, I collect 10 cockroach. 10 cockroach, can ma? Cannot. You need these 10 insects need to very different. Like cockroach, and also cockroach, and also dragonfly, and also bees, flies, all that grasshopper. You need to very different. You need to different one. Similar to plant leaf. You cannot say that I take 10 plant leaf from mango trees. Cannot. All 10 plant leaf or mango tree. We cannot. You need to have different one. You need to take from mango tree, maybe or other type of tree lah. Like that. And also the 11 classification of organism. This one is very fast. Ecology or terrestrial habitat. This one it also take time. This one will also take time. This one is you need go to school. Normally is go to school field lah, padang sekolah, school field, and then you need to do a sampling. Quantitative ecology. We still remember in SPA you learn about want to calculate the density, frequency, relative coverage. All this this one is practical. You need to do it yourself. This one okay. And these two will be very fast. But then later you can do it in the lab. So these two 12 and 13 will take time, especially 12 lah. Well, you need to take very long time. Okay, so that's all about the experiment. Along 3 semester. So I repeat again, if you do very well, you listen what the instruction given by your school teacher, and you are not a problematic student in the school, listen all anything in the school, then you will get A in this paper. 18 marks, 80%, at least 80%. But if you do it not very well, always do problem, or you play in the lab, play in the lab, not very focused, okay, of course, you not get A, don't scold your teacher, because this is your problem. Okay, next is about reference books. Okay, as you guys know that this is the new syllabus. So this video is recorded in 2024. So I don't know, still got any Malaysia publication publish the new book or not based on the new syllabus. So far, for now, not yet. So until now, not yet. But I don't know. Maybe next year. I think next year, or the future years, got or not. If got, you can buy it. If not, then you need to use the international reference book that recommended by STPM. So one of the most, I need to repeat many times, recommend book by STPM is STPM Biology. This is the book. Okay, so this is the book. So if you say, this book, how can I get it? Okay, one of the way you get it, well, you need to buy it. Of course, you need to buy. You can buy it anywhere. Shopee, I already have pen. Hard copy lah, of course, hard copy. I don't know Shopee got soft copy or not lah. I think have, but soft copy more cheaper lah. Because soft copy in Shopee, they just send a PDF for you only. So more cheaper. But hard copy is very expensive lah, of course. The price will be, normally if hard copy, the price will be 120 ringgit or until 150 ringgit, something like that lah. So, yeah. So this is the biology textbook, international book that normally cover all the 3 semester topic. Most recommend. Yeah. So you ask. So this is the 12th edition now. I don't know now already coming out or not. This one is my time, 2020 or 2021. 2020 or 2021. 12th edition. I think now already coming out up to 14th edition, but 12th edition still can be used one. Don't worry. But the outdated edition not recommend lah already lah. Not recommend already lah. At least you get the 12th edition lah. You get the 14th edition. That's all. You can use it. Another way you need to get this book. Join my channel. My channel is already right out on the comment box or the description, so you can get the soft copy version of this book from my channel, from my Telegram channel. So for those who not joined yet, you can join. Okay. So again, this book is very important. Very important because most of the knowledge of the syllabus and also the answering scheme is based on this book. Not only in STPM, even in matriculation, in A-level also, other type in the whole world of the pre-university biology, even in university biology, they also recommend this book. This book is very useful in biology. So yeah, please, you need to have this kind of book. Because you are in new syllabus now. Please take this book. Very helpful to you. And also there are also other book lah. Not only Campbell, also got Solomon. This one is, if not mistaken, is 9th edition. But I think nowadays already got 10 or 11 lah. But 9th edition is actually okay already lah. Okay, Solomon. Raven, okay, another one, Raven Biology, 11th edition. But I think nowadays already go up to 13 or 12 like that. Raven Biology. And also another one is Lifestyle Biology. So all these 4 books are actually recommend to you guys. You can use it. But if you ask me, I want to buy all 4 man. Don't need. Because don't need. You have soft copy already enough. But the most important that you need to learn first, if you want to learn the thing first, is using Campbell Biology. The other 3 books, you can use it for the additional information. Because sometimes maybe Campbell one, you not really understand what this book talking about to you. Maybe you can refer to other reference lah. Solomon also can, Raven also can. So, but first of all, I recommend you to use Campbell first. Campbell first. Okay. So, Campbell Biology and also Solomon Biology, I got it in my channel. I already share it in my channel, so you can refer to my channel lah. Join my channel to get these 2 books free, totally free. You don't need to buy unless you want hard copy lah. You want to hard copy, you can download it, print it in the printing shop like that. I don't know. You want go to Shopee buy hard copy, but also can. No, up to you guys. But I just share to you free version for you guys lah. Okay. Okay, and not only these 4 lah, actually there are many books recommended by MPM. So these are all the books for you guys. So you will able find out this kind of book, then yeah, you can use it. So this one is the publication in Malaysia. So if you able to find the old syllabus one, yeah, you still can use it. Not say that you cannot use it anymore. You still can use it lah. Use it because I already mentioned 99% of the content in new syllabus is similar to the old syllabus one. Of course, but there are, of course, in new syllabus there are some additional knowledge already. So this additional knowledge, of course, in old syllabus does not have lah. So I don't know. Starting this new batch, got any Malaysia publication like Pelangi or Sasbadi will publish the new books or not. I don't know. So if got, then you can buy it. If no, you either use the senior one, the old syllabus books, or you directly use reference book. And also, or you use your school teacher notes by your school teacher. But I need to give you a mind that the Malaysia one, book published by Malaysia, Oxford, Sasbadi, or Longman, or even Pelangi, the book content is very simple lah. Not very scientific as well, and the understanding is also not very well lah. Okay. Okay. So these are all about the STPM biology. That they cover about the syllabus and also experiment and also reference book as well. So now I go to advice. So as a school senior, I need to give you advice lah. So I need to mention that biology is the most difficult subject to score compared to other science subjects. Biology easy to pass, but if you want to get A, it's very difficult. One of the reasons will be answering skill for the biology is very strict. So it not like SPM. I don't know SPM now, but I know that in SPM the answering skill not very strict one. Not very strict, but in SPM very strict. Even your spelling wrong, no marks. As I say, for structural question, essay question, spelling wrong, no marks. Even though your capital letter, some of the terms, so the scientific term, the naming, you need to capitalize, but you not capitalize, no marks. Spelling wrong, no marks. No marks as well. So very strict. Especially spelling lah. One of the because nowadays everyone use handphone, right? Or you iPad, you handphone, you computer, very less using hand. So you use computer, your computer, your handphone, you automatically correct your spelling, right? By you using hand, not mana ada automatic. Wrong is wrong. So you need to very difficult it lah. So this is just a reference for you guys. The 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 among these three subjects, if not mistaken, this report is from the real report from STPM, but I already forget which year, but I think is either 2022 or 2023 lah. Okay, 2022 or 2023. So you can see that each semester you can see the F. You can see the F and also the A. Okay, for F, for the pass rate for biology for semester 1 is very high lah. I can say that's very high. C is considered pass. C minor, D plus, D and F are considered fail. For me, it's considered fail. In scientific, they still say that C minor, D plus, and D is partially pass. But for me, I say fail. Okay, that's all. Okay. So you can see that in biology, you want to get A very less compared to physics. You can see the physics to get A, wow, at this year 10%, almost 10%. But for get biology, you want to get 80 only. 80. Average is 80. Not even until 90 also. So actually it's very challenging lah for you. Okay, so one of my recommendation is you need to make your own notes. Especially you are now in new syllabus. You need to make your own notes. Because your senior notes not totally fulfill to you because senior note is just 99%, 99% their notes is suitable for you. But how about that 1%? So that 1%, I don't need to learn lah, so give up. Cannot. You want to score, you cannot have the mind like that. Okay, so very high recommend to you make your own note. Very high recommend. Okay, so this one is the very I have to say the answering scheme that in biology lah. I think even though change format, but I think the answering scheme also very strict lah. I don't think so that they will change the answering scheme, not very strict. I don't think so. I think they were more strict as well. Okay, so this one I already mentioned spelling mistake. So wrong spelling, no marks. Even your theory is correct, your all the sentence correct, but you spell wrongly, then no marks. And in structural question, they want to naming, name P, name Q. Naming, yeah, actually correct, but spelling wrong. So no marks. Okay. Of course, biological terms. You need to use all the biological terms. You cannot use the general terms one, the English term. Like this one is biological term, especially this one. Normally, anyone will use this. Convert A convert to B. Glucose convert to sucrose by condensation. But cannot. Sucrose convert to glucose by hydrolysis. Cannot. You cannot use this kind. Move. The water move from cell A to cell B. Cannot. You cannot use this. Change also. Sucrose change to galactose like that. Cannot. Produce also cannot. What produce? Maybe one of the produce is pituitary gland produce LH hormone, luteinizing hormone. Wow. You do this kind of terms, automatically no marks. Cannot. If you use this kind of term in the exam, no marks. Although your theory is correct. Yeah. Pituitary gland secrete LH hormone. Pituitary gland produce LH hormone actually correct. But what is produced? Produce general term. You are biologists. You need to use biological terms. You cannot use the general term like the normal person. You need to imagine that you are the biologist. You are not a teacher. You are not a normal person. So yeah, this is very strict. Also grammar, grammar also very important. You not think that biology not English, so not important. Because why grammar is important? If your grammar is error, you will change the meaning of the sentence, especially plural and singular. The using of the plural and singular are very important. If you use it wrongly, you change the meaning of the sentence, then totally wrong. This one is very inside in the language. I can say this one in the language. So this one is an example for you guys. Okay, one of the thing everyone in SPM will do one. Last minute, less only 1 month in SPM. So you will do what? With tips only. Tips only. Got tips or not? I think SPM got many, right? I think SPM you go to tuition. That A tuition got this tip, B tuition got this tip. Even your school teacher also give you a tips one. But in STPM, please don't. You cannot do this. Because MPM ni memang kejam. If you go my experience, MPM ni memang kejam. You will never know apa pemikiran MPM. You never know. Because any topic in the syllabus, whatever hot topic, cold topic or not, they will come out. So if you only read all hot topic only, then they come out cold topic. Wow. And I already tell you, your exam format now is very challenging, especially essay question. You don't know that. So there is no such thing that the SPM syllabus will not come out in STPM syllabus. Yeah, one of the reasons. Sometimes, everyone, like me also, even me as a student, SPM student, I also think that as your SPM, belajar kan, especially SEM 1, first chapter and second chapter, organelles, mitochondria, the function of mitochondria, belajar lah, tahu lah. But when you want to explain it, you don't know how to explain. Will be very real. And now, maybe I'll ask you one of the questions that in STPM 2020 I very remember. Explain the function of the parenchyma cells. 7 function. There are 7 function. Can you tell me? Already learned in SPM, but can you tell me? I imagine most of you cannot. Even me at that time also can. Because why? I'm not weak. I just scan through only. Then that's all. Because I already think that SPM got ma. Why I want focus? I think that STPM will not come out. But MPM come out. This is MPM. MPM very kejam punya. Dia tahu punya. Dia dah tahu lah perangai student dia macam mana. So dia akan keluar. Dah tak akan keluar punya, dia keluar. Dia nak keluar punya, dia tak keluar. Ni MPM. So you never know. Never know what are the mind of the MPM. So you want to score it, you should read all. So you need to read detail and find more information. You are advised to make your own note, as I mentioned. And you will see more reference. So not only Campbell, I recommend you to see more reference. Even though in internet, Google, right? Please use the Google well. I think ChatGPT also have. You also have ChatGPT, right? ChatGPT. Use well that ChatGPT. Because you can ask the question in ChatGPT and they will tell you, but please lah, don't very rely on the ChatGPT lah. ChatGPT punya information not fully correct. But you can refer it. Read more. Google it. Google is your best friend. Not see Google to see drama only, play game only, or see the Korean drama, Chinese drama, see handsome Leng Zai, Leng Loi. No. Please read you want to score it well, please use wisely your internet, Google, search what is about the biology. Master all the topic. Don't read all big hot topic only. Okay. So you should master well all the topic rather than read through. Okay. So that's all about this video. So all about this video are explaining about the introduction of the STPM biology. So hopefully this video can help you guys about the new syllabus of the STPM biology. So good luck for your STPM and wish you have a good result in your STPM 2 and also have a good journey in STPM so that you can enter government university to take the course that you want. So that's all for my video. So thank you for your guys watching and bye.